Merci. 18 October 2023. Yai Paraba Numit Asida. I, on behalf of the entire people of Ukhrul and Kamchong districts, now Lupna Ekoigi, Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur, Ming Panjarabada, Sri Nongthombam Biren Singh, now Lupna Khorum Cheri. I, on behalf of the entire people of Kamchong in Ukhrul district, warmly extend our warm welcome to Honorable Chief Minister of Manipur and his colleagues, Cabinet Ministers, Ming Waina Panjarabada, Sri T.H. Biswajit Singh, Naulumna Kurumchari, Sri Y. Khemchand Singh, Naulupna Kurumchari, Sri K. Kovinta Singh, Naulupna Kurumchari, Sri Awangpao Nyumai, Naulupna Kurumchari, Dr. Sambam Ranjan Singh, Naulupna Kurumchari, Sri L. Sushindro Mitei, Naulupna Kurumchari, Sri H. Tinko Singh, Naulupna Kurumchari, Sri T.H. Pasanta Singh, Naulupna Kurumchari, Aduga Sri Khashim Bashum, Naulupna Kurumchari. Loinana, Honorable CM ga Loina Rakpa, a colleague MLA Mayam, Ming Oina Panjarabada, Hill Area Committee Chairman Sri Tipu Bose, Sri Ibomja, MLA Lamlai, Kendra, Sri Choi Kishan, Sri Sham Kumar, Sri Dr. Usham Tipen, Sri Shanti, Sri Jahemlong Panmei, Sri Komosha, Sri Arun Kumar, Sri Leshio Keshing, M.H. Ashaputin, Sri Premchan, Aduga BJP ki General Secretary, Amashung Chairperson, Manipur Building and Construction ki Sri Sharat Singh. Aduga Shida Diliba, the Administrative Secretaries, led by Dr. Vinit Joshi, Chief Secretary, and his colleague, Additional Chief Secretary M.H. Khan, and Commissioner Mr. P.K. Shah, Commissioner Shailash Chaurasia, Commissioner Gyan Prakash, Commissioner T. Ranjit Singh, Commissioner M. Choi Singh, and Commissioner Low, and also all the other administrative secretaries, if I've left out anybody, and also the head of the district, Srimati Suringla Keshing, IS, DC Ukhrul, and SP Ukhrul, Srining Shembushum, and also IGP Mr. Kabib, DIG Mr. Warchang Hongyo, and the District Council Chairman Mr. Mark Luiting, and other these DLOs, district level officers, Reverend Theophilus Simic, Chief of Ukhrul Khayawo, Chief of HON'BLE Mr. Peter, and also the head of the CSOs of Ukhrul, President Tangkhul Nakalong, President Tangkhul Naka Unolong, President Tangkhul Sinaulong, President TKS, President TMNL, and friends from press and media, ladies and gentlemen, I have great pleasure to welcome once again the Honorable Chief Minister on behalf of the entire people on this auspicious day and his colleagues. Sir, ekoi nang ngasi lakpasi ekoi tamakti yai pharaba numinian laujai. Sir na ekoi taubiba sinthaningai yaba project yam taubi khrabani Ukhrulda. Aduna once again I express our deep gratitude on behalf of the people. Sinthaningai yaba project mayam ki marakta aina amani di adum haichaningi. Khwaidagi aikhoina kauthokpa yaroidaba. It will become immortal, you know, that the Shirui Lily Festival. Mashi sir na hobi khepani. Shirui Lily Festival truly is the legacy of the CM. Aduga avu market, ima market si चौद्रबसु एखोई इमा मयाम गिरी यामना कानरबा हुजिकी इमा मार्केट नि सी सरने साबी खिबनी अदुगा तांगखुल हेडक्वार्टर क्राउन की VIP gallery अदुसु सरने साबी खिबनी एखोई या थैंक यू हुजिक हुजिक ख्वाइदगी मुरु ओइना सिंथानिंगाई याबा प्रोजेक्ट अमदी Petukru College, the second oldest college of Manipur, da Hujiki Sarna Boys and Girls Hostel, Ethnicity Block Haina 38 crore, Hujik Chatari. Aina Matam Yam Loroi, Ukrul Lakpanina, Ukrulgi, Maram da Kitang di Haininge. Ekwe Manipur ki Royal Chronicle, Itihas, Ningthorol Kumbaba. Chaithorol Kumbabada, Mr. Choi Chandra na English the translate over Yam Pajabal MLA, The Lost Kingdom. Aduda Shumain Haibani, Kangla Fort Ki, Motu, Pukhidu, Ekwe Tangkhul 36 villages na Taubani Hani Yawi, Humpum, Ukrul, Somdal, Mohe leadership da. Matam Amada, Paleshi Kanjipudu Honkibani. Adu Kanjipur ki motu ekoi Tangkhul na sembi bani Maharaj na nungai man bagidigi Tangkhul da colony ama alot bani puru part haina adu da Professor Kamung Mai ki History of Manipur Volume 1 da yawi adu porom padu oigadra khali ekoi ki Western Kangla Kete ki Khoremban Bazar Ima Market haibese ipa ipui matam da Shana Kaithel Kauromi adu ki PT Road to ekoi Tangkhul na sembani ana adu su yawi The Lost Kingdom the Yaubani. Adumna Matam Quina, Equi interaction, she yam close, and later Bani Habshay, hiding Bani. First World War, the Viceroy of India, the Queen of England, Maharaj Churachanda, Labour Corp 2,000 PO Haibani. Aduda Kuki Shingdi, Chatlaroy and repelled away. Equi Tangkhul na quite the Chauba, single tribe. 1,200 France ki Marseille the Chatpani. Aduda interpreter ekwe Tangkhul ki Humra Marira Yawi, Mr. Ruchum Hao, Leshesan Shaiza, Aduga Leshesan Shaiza, Kanrai Shaiza, Tiliu Kham, Aduga A. Porom Singh. A. Porom Singh si Payeng ki Maiteni, Adubu, Ukrul da Chakwat Panina, Ma Shu Tangkhul ki interpreter when Chatpani. Matam Amada Mashi Tangkhulon Yam Haibanina, the showers of blessing. Ishaidu A. Porom Singh na Tangkhulon the translator when he like the Pa the Pangi. Adumna Leshisan Saiza di Alexandria di Shiduna Magi, Cemetery the other Labani. Aduna Hujiki Maharaj Churajan Singbu, British ki Queen and Nungaiman Kipdegi Mabu, knighted Tawani. Aduna Maharaja Manung the Sir Raibesi. Churachandani, Churachana Nungaiman Kibedegi, TM College Lamdu Equa de Pirame, Guanamana College Hauni have MBC Lamdu Moin Man Alota Kibani. Adu Matamda, incidentally, a great maternal grandfather, Ningshang, in the court of Sir Maharaj Churachanda Mashi, Penkun Khongba Mi Werami. He was a bugler in the court of Maharaj Churachan, a grandfather, great grandfather. Adumaina, Ekwe Ukrulshe, Mashak Naiba Yaba, significant Yam Lay. Ekwe Ching the Kwai the Ihan Hana education Haubeshe, Ekwe Ukrulni, 19 February 1896. Aduga Ukruldi in the Mayam the Kangi, first elected women Yangmela Shaiza, the first chief minister from the hills, Yang Maso Shaiza, Amugar Shankei Singh. Manipur mi kuti mag na khoi di respect leba chief minister oirami Shankei Singha Yang Maso Shaiza ji aduna ai di serbo shumen hainingi yarabadi Ukrul she Manipur summer capital oipiu hainingi ai shiki welcome address ki tanja shilauraga sarda mayam ki timandu kitang haitok ningi number 1 da ekhoi gi summer capital oina naba matam amada Ukrul she aduga Imphal to Ukrul she along the Thopal river 4 lane si oina na ba AD MRTH da recommend tawninga AD CM hainingi karino hairaga 4 lane oirabadi only 60 km oigadabni ukhul si pung amada imphal yawba ngamgani Gradient su yam phajaba along the thopari ba ching suka karoi dabani Mahadyapta tunnel ama tawgani tunnel ama khak tawrabdi ukhul hawbise tampa oina yawba ngamgani ai haining bani number 2 da ekhoi ukhul town ge sarok se hoi mayai gi di national highway ni na blacktop tawi lekai khuding se loina lepak lekhom na mi wa ba hainingai leite masi mayam gi demand di khla blacktop tawbiu haibani Ado, thanks to PWD, Honorable Minister Govinda Sabjushida Lere, Mukoi na concept note amashemi, Nesid Yimakada Raplektok Taunonaba, Nesid si Northeast Special Infrastructure Development M. Toner Makada Labani, Ado da Serna, Honorable CM na recommend Tawirabadi, Matam Amada Plektok Sharokshi, Tawinga Habashi, Ekoi Koi Digi Kaurang Nang Aijaba Mayam Gi Timani. Ahum shubada ising wabashi ukhul si hainingai leite aduna thanks to Honorable Minister Awangbaw Sab makhoi Water Resource Department na ukhul multi-purpose project hai nama shem khare adugi preliminary project report PPRC sir gi da thakat kharabani yarabadi adudi external aided project da tawbiu haibani either World Bank or ADB adushu mayam gi timani Roshin Badai Shuman Hainingi, Ukrulsi Impandi Kratapanina, together with Taminglong and Ukrulsi, Yarabadi Medical Care She, Dr. Shu, Nurse Shu Hankatnaba, a Doctor Medical Minister Gi, Dr. Ranjan the Shu, she request owning Bani. Aduga Yarabadi, Prime Minister na, every district hospital she medical college on Tokani Haiba Lautopanina to be funded by Government of India. Matam Amada Ukrulgi. District hospital shu medical college si operate on ba si ekoi mayam gi timani aduga hojiki loishin bada aina hek hawda hai khare Manipur ching da ukhur da khoi di education se hawkhebani 19th century da aduna yarabadi ekoi gi ukhur da central government central gi hill university ama recommend tawbiu habisi I Sardamashi request of Janini. Aduga, a power minister, Piswachi subsubsida lere, Kamshong, Ukrug, Yashom, international border labor singse. 21 villages are without power. 21 villages without power. Kachao Pung the Horaga, Choro Pawisi. Nahan Aina, Mumbai Gi, Karta Foundation, Habida Hairaga, Muhaina Lemna. Khayang ka khayang phungtha dadi solar light happy khare aduga muhoina ronshak roni hasam phungshu lemna solar light bigni hai khare adubu 21 villages di sidi enchon di ngamoi government power department mishi pina hajeningi aduga ekhoi ching sidi industry siding khat pa yada banina our USP unique selling point sidi tourism destination sini matam amata ukhul sisu kamjong sisu tourist destination taunon ba hujikti Manipur tourism policy da PK Chan bhajan shemaga the tourism should not be and hujiki tourist circuit haina tawgani haina tawre PPP da private public partnership adui makha da ekoi concept note amadi sir bu thagat ki bani Yarabdi NEC Dakra recommend Tawira Mosa Dishu Mayamgi Prachagi Timani. Finally, Haigadra Ekoi Ukrul Town se solid waste management laidaba. Ada Ukrul ki town Saroksi Yam Mot Peshe. ADC CEO David Kashungnauna Jillaga comprehensive action plan haina 20 crore Gumbagi Ama solid waste management shem krabani. Ado Sernishu Adu any suitable scheme dakra khanbiramu finally ekhoi gi more si changba yadrabanina ukhul su kamjong su international border ni misida to somra natraga wangli namli choro sida ICB ama hangna na ba integrated check post land port ama hangbine ba haibishi mayam gi timani san mishi khara ningsinpiramo. With these few words, I once again welcome the dignitaries led by the Honorable CM from Imphal, and we all wish the Honorable Chief Minister and his entourage to return home with happy memories of Ukhrul. Thank you.